Question 4 of this exercise says construct an isosceles triangle whose base is 8 cm and altitude 4 cm, and then another triangle whose sides are 1.5 times the corresponding sides of the isosceles triangle. So let's start with the steps of construction. Draw BC equal 8 cm. Through D the midpoint of BC. Draw the perpendicular to BC and cut an arc from D on it such that DA equal 4 cm. Join BA and CA. Triangle ABC is obtained. So let's draw BC that equal 8 cm. So this is BC and it measure 8 cm. Now we'll take the midpoint of BC as D and we'll draw perpendicular on it like that. Then we'll draw an arc DA equal 4 cm. So we'll draw an arc like that and we'll mark the point of intersection as A. Then we need to join AB and AC. So we have got triangle ABC. Now in the next step we need to draw a ray BX that makes acute angle with BC. So we'll draw a line like that and we'll name it BX. So angle CBX is an acute angle. Now in the next step we need to mark 3 points B1, B2, B3 on BX. And after that we need to join B2 to C. So like that we'll join B2 to C. Now we'll extend BC and we'll draw a line parallel to B2C. So we'll draw a line like this and we'll mark the point of intersection as C dash. Now in the next step through C dash, draw C dash A dash parallel to CA to intersect BA extended to A dash. So we'll draw a line parallel to AC like that and we'll name this point of intersection as A dash. So we have got triangle A dash B C dash as the required triangle. Now let's do the justification of this construction. In triangle B B3 C dash, B2C is parallel to B3 C dash. So we'll get C C dash by BC equal 1 by 2. And if we add 1 to both the sides, we'll get BC dash by BC, that is 3 by 2. And we'll get triangle BAC similar to triangle BA dash C dash by AAA similarity criteria. So we have got BA dash by BA equal BC dash by BC equal C dash A dash by CA equal 3 by 2.
To learn more about how QMath can help you crack school and board exams, explore QMath Leap, a live online classroom program run by highly experienced and committed teachers.